How to sign out of Google account on your computer. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your preferred browser and then log in to your account, or if you are going to sign out, then I assume that you are already signed in. So here on your top right corner, you will see an account option. Tap on it. Now, go to Open Guest Profile if you want to sign out and use without any account. But if you want to simply close this profile, simply tap on Close this profile, and along with all the windows that it is opening will be closed. You can also switch to other accounts from here, and that's how you do it. Thank
Thank
you
you
for
for
watching
joining me
this
today. If
video.
this
Make
video
sure to
helps you
like,
out,
share,
please
and
leave a like
subscribe to
and
our YouTube
subscribe for
channel.
more.
If you
Got a
got
question
any
or want to
questions,
suggest
comment
a
them
topic,
down
comment
and
below.
I'll
I'm
catch you in the
Sophie
next one.
signing off until next time. Thank you for joining.